Let me tell you something. Don't make no mistakes about it. Jamaica right now is poised the next Singapore in 2030. So make no mistakes about it. I did this program because I vision the future. And if we didn't make a move and all the people come back home without fear, gentrification globally is because of the climate change that's about to happen in the world. And we have a consistent level of water, music, health with herbs. So when they found out that this was the Garden of Eden on planet Earth, and we heal ourselves and we live long and we have abundant of food and natural water without GMOs, and the coconut them no poison and the breadfruit, you don't need bread for bake anything, pumpkin and everything. When they found out that life was here and here in abundance, they started the propaganda of making sure that everything negative online was representing Jamaica. We took a concerted effort to use our own money to brand this thing positive. From 8 years of marketing, I understand the importance of film branding. And I said, you know what? People don't see what I see when I travel. And what I see is lush, green, health, future. But the weather climatical change that is coming in the world is going to cause a lot of catastrophe. The mountains that protect us create a good climatical balance. So we have a good equator, but we have a lot of mountains. So basically, Portland, we talk about slavery 2.0. The Jamaicans that are strong enough are coming home to build. And you have to be a warrior, because there's a war on planet Earth right now for resources. But natural resources are going to be even more fought for and sought after. So it is our primary function to pick up where our ancestors left off and continue to maintain a legacy for the next generation that's currently in the car. So this trip today was more than an insight, more than a vacation, more than a journey. It was to inspire the next generation to maintain what grandma has done, and grandma, grandpa. Ocherius is building up, St. Mary's building up, Montego Bay is building up, Mandeville is building up. I travel this country from Connor. Negril is building up. But when you look at YouTube, all you see is crime, and the 5%ers that are doing the crime in the country. 5%. And the 95%ers are working, farming, going to school, nurse, doctor. If Jamaica was a crime-heavy country, why do you see so many men in trucks going to work? Why do you see so many taxi drivers? Why do you see so much students going to school? Why do you see much traffic on the road if Jamaica was filled with crime? Because everybody's moving. But what you're seeing online is 5% of Jamaica. 95% of Jamaica is very productive. So what we did, we seek to show as much as positive as we can to maintain that future that is about to unfold itself in 2030. The 2030 plan is a one world order, digital currency. The change that is coming in the world, the next generation have to balance. The psychological change in America is detrimental to America itself because of the constant school shootings that you don't find here or in Africa. So there's a mental epidemic going on in the world. Went to Botswana, I found out Botswana is psychologically balanced. Went to Africa, found out that the psychology is still intact. Came to Jamaica, the psychologically, but the rest of the world, with the land of the, the psychology of the people, the wrong food created an imbalanced substance mentally. It causes school shootings, the video game shootings. So the psychology of America is being challenged, and you're finding that the safety and just the fabric of that nation is falling apart. So we come back home to use our culture to propel the next generation digitally. So them see the beauty and the healing essence of the humanity that's here. With the rivers, the sun, you know, the food, the music, the dance, the sunshine. This is a fabric of pure healing, human energy. Even the people, how they communicate. So for the warmness that Jamaica offer, and the landscape is a balance. The Almighty gives us the land to communicate how the Almighty would communicate if the Almighty could communicate directly. It would do it through the trees, the rivers, the ocean, the leaves, the insects at night when you sleep to balance your nerves. Only in certain places in Jamaica you can now sleep well because the insects is doing them surgery when your brain needs it. So there's a lot of humanity here that people don't recognize, and when I travel I recognize the humanity, how we should be living as human beings. So the children will need this balance. Going out in the westernized world, when Jay comes back, gets the balance, you know, Jala, Anais, you know, get the balance. Thanks to man called Fuzzy for expose them to the real Jamaican vibe. That is it. So, you know, so these young generation, man, them, we brought you here, and thanks to Mommy for making this possible. Thursday Boundary and Susan for backing this up. A bright future ahead, and the fact that they enjoy the mountains and the river, and it was a flow. What you guys experience is considered a flow. It's not planning. They say in a commercial in Jamaica, when you go to Jamaica, you will know. You don't know until you come to Jamaica. So here's the music. The combination of music, oxygen, water, food, dance, drum, sun, you can't find nowhere else on the planet.
Well said, man. We're talking about the vibration of the place that flows through the people. And we enter into Ucharias and you hear it from the man himself, Mr. Good Life, who's bringing Jamaica to the people. Don't stay abroad, don't be tricked, don't be fooled. I've not been here for many years and I come and I'm energized with the vibration of Jamaica. The land, the wood, the sea, the water, luscious green place and the music vibration. So yes, Mr. Good Life, traveling through, listening to some good music and taking it easy. England cool, US have no soul. Moving on, taking it in the night. What we say? We're moving from dawn to dusk.
If I ask you to dance, what you run and never look back. Would you cry if you saw me crying? Would you say my soul tonight?
Bye.
Would you tremble?
Ucharias, passing Duns River Falls soon. So you guys notice how the road is beautiful all the way from Portland.
Beautiful.
And it's gonna get better as the highways are done. And even this last stretch they're working on with Blue Hole, Blue Lagoon, Anais, Zaley. Yes. So when you get to about 25, 26 and you go back to Blue Lagoon, you know that area is gonna be so developed, you know, but at least you're gonna remember it, right? Like, I remember when the road was so bad, right? And you're gonna see parking, but I'm glad you guys went to Blue Lagoon. Right, Fuzzy?
Yeah, man.
One day, Fuzzy, I'm gonna pick you up and we're gonna roll, you know?
There's some volume there. Do you remember Mr. Gregory Isaac, people? There's only one place in the world these vibes can be produced.
I gave her all the love I head and she's building.
What the man say?
So I packed my things into a shopping bag and decided to quit. But Lord knows that I don't wanna be lonely tonight.
Taking the night ride. Jamaica good life, moving through with the cool vibration of man called Gregory Isaac. Only one place on earth this man could be born. Jamaica!
I gave her back the key to her front door, cause it seems she didn't care about me anymore.
Right.
I gave her all the love I had and she's building. Yeah. So I packed my things into a shopping bag and decided to.
Jamaica has gone beyond metro. He has merged metro and suburb and country and hills and valley. I don't think we have a name for it yet, Mr. Goodlife. I think we should just call it paradise merging with the modernization. I think they've done it better than most people. What do you say?
Yes, I think what we have here is a balance of life with technology and nature come in synchronization. That's what I say. Jamaica is a balance of technology, right amount of technology, just the right amount. Not to overpower nature, you know what I mean? So nature is the foundation of life, and technology now assists that to navigate through nature and get the healing. That's what I say. So I like the balance. When you come to Jamaica, it's like 10 years behind, so you have to slow down. And sometimes you get frustrated, like, wow, I wish they just get stuff done, and you realize the country's not the problem. You are moving too fast.
Too fast, people.
So you come to Jamaica, you have to learn to be patient. Learn to become a human again.
They call it the healing process,
Slow down
people.
your brain.
Healing process.
When you come to Jamaica and you speak to someone like me who's been here for months, your brain is too fast compared to mine. So many times you would irritate me because you're coming from a faster environment, and we don't really synchronize. What I normally do, I hide from people who are coming. I hide from them whenever I can escape from them, because Jamaica molds you into slowing down your brain. We gotta do this. This is this time. We gotta go there. It's like, okay. For us, we start getting irritated, like, you know what? That's not how we function here. We have certain times that we have to meet, but when we meet those times, everything else is the flow. Jamaica teaches you, I'm the flow, you're the human.
Gotta go with the vibration, people, as the man say.
So if you're still living in your head, Jamaica's gonna break that. Jamaica's gonna mold your mind, your body, and your spirit. Right?